Hello everyone. In this video, we learn how to use Google Docs Explorer tool. First step, on the top menu, click on Tools, find Explorer and click on it. Now in the right side, you see a search box. You can search about anything you want. For example, I want search what is Google Docs. After write your topic, press enter. Now you see three tabs. First, web, second, image, and third one, drive. In this video, we will review each of them. First one, web. With web, you can add a search result into your document as a footnote. For example, I wrote, what is Google Docs? And I want add a footnote for more information. Now, click on the next your word and choose one the result you searched. I searched about what is Google Docs and this is a result. When you move your mouse next to any result, you see an icon and cite as footnote. Now I click this result icon. Now you see a footnote number added to next to my word, and in the footer you see the footnote. Also, we have a three dot option here. You can change the format of citation and you can choose each of them you need. In the second tab, we have an image. You see an image about what you search, what is Google Docs, and you can choose any image, for example, this one, and you can click on insert to add in your document. Click on it, choose one of these option and this option to move anywhere you want in your document, for example here. And also you can drag the image and add it in your document. In the third tab we have a drive which we can explore in our document about what we searched. For example, I search what is document and the result is my drive, and we can click on each of them, for example this one, and in new tab we can see that document. Now in this video we learn how to use Google Docs Explorer tool. I hope this video was useful for you. Please subscribe to our channel and support us to make more video like this. Thanks a lot.